Hello everybody, welcome to the second video of Alpha and I am Anubhav Sharma. Sorry for that little cough. So today we are going to see the string and string slices and some of the methods of string. So first I will start open a file. First I will like to show you some of the basic rules, or we can say that mm, I will say the rules for Python. Python is a case sensitive language, for which it means if we are writing str and equals to Python. Sorry for that mistake. uh, Python. And str. So these two both of the variables are different. They can't be treated as same. So I will run this module. So I will save it as desktop string. Okay, so now you can see that it is displaying us the message that trace back most recent call last print. Name str is not defined. So this is completely saying us that this str and this str is not seen. In Python the variables are case sensitive and other things are also case sensitive. If we write print str, then this print is not same as this. As you know, some other language are case sensitive, so first I would like to remove this thing. Some language like PHP are case sensitive, but Python is not a PHP is, sorry for that, PHP is case insensitive, but Python is not a Python is a case sensitive language. So it is very important to use proper case while writing Python program. Second thing, while assigning any variable or using any variable, you must start the variable with underscore or any alphabetical character. Anything else is not allowed. If you are starting with such as digit any digit and underscore, then this is not a proper variable, as I am giving it name 34 and I'm just printing it. So one underscore. So this is giving us a error that invalid syntax, since this is not allowed. So it should get started with underscore or any digit only. Third thing is we should use only underscore and alphanumeric characters while assigning an variable. If we are using any special symbol other than alphanumeric character underscore, then this will display us the error message. For example, I am starting a variable with underscore as and mod sign. So what this will display us the same error message. As you can see, invalid syntax. So as I deleted it, now this is out. So you can see that these are the some of the basic rules for Python. Now I would like to show you some string slicing method. What is string slicing? So string slicing is dividing a string into a small parts or using some specific parts of a string. So as I have assigned a string, a very long string, just like, first of all, I will, in each string we can use two types. There are basically three types. We can assign string by using single quotation, double quotation, and triple quote. We can write here also as Python program. So as you can see, Python program. And next is three times double quote. So this is string can sorry for that can be defined as text error irritable. Okay, oh sorry for that, it just use these two, as you can see, end of line while scanning. So it can use only two, as I mentioned, double quotes are not allowed, so means that's it. So str, as you can see, next is str1 equals to Python, str2 equals to make. So these are the four ways we can define a string. So now let's move to string slicing. So I'm using a very long string. This string I'm going to use. Now I want to divide this string. So basically, as if you are aware with some of the programming languages, then you may have been know that string starts with 0, not with 1. If you are seeing this s is assigned with a 0 value, so str0 equals to s, not 1. So if we want to print the complete string, then by string slicing we can get str colon, just we have to add in this way and it will print the complete string. As you can see, string can be defined as space. But what if there is also another method, which is 0 colon nothing? So what we'll do, it is taking 0 as the in by itself, 0 as the first, and till the end of this string it is traveling, and here is the same 0 till the end of this string. If we assign some the values, like if we want to print only the first 5 characters, then how we will do? We'll go 0 to 5 and it will print us the first 5 characters, as you can see. Now if you want to print only the last 5 characters, then how we will do that? Little tricky, no? No, that's not true. That's so let's we mentioned it -6 colon -1. So it will start from -6 to -1. So and you can see that e d, these are our last 5 characters. Okay, no. I- Okay, so I think so. This my mistake. I thought so, but might not. Yeah. This is our last 5 characters. One is for last characters. If we want to print str minus 1, so this means that we are minus 1 stands for last position. If we are starting from last to 4, so there is a function, there is another function called length, len, which is used for finding the length of the string. As we are seeing, the length of the string is 25. So how we can, this is the way we can find out the length of a particular string. There are some of other functions also we will see afterwards. For today, this is it. Later on we are going to see some string functions. Oh, last thing I forgot, that if you want to take any input from the user as a string, then how we will take that? This is very easy in Python as compared to other languages like C or CPP. Input enter a string, so just wait. And I want to enter any string, so I'll enter burger and pizza. My favorite food. And I print str. So as you can see, there is burger and pizza. This is the way we can use string in Python. Later on I will show you some string functions which are in Python. There are many string functions, but we are going to see several only, around 4 to 5, because if I took each and every day, it may have taken 1 or 2 hours to just show you string functions. These are approximately 60 to 80 functions. More than 60 to 80 functions are there. And might be not correct. There are approximately 80 string functions. So thank you for today. Bye bye.